Bonjour. Hello everyone. I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti. And today we are going to start with the 7th video of the first series of Basic French. So in the Compte en Français series, that means counting in French, in today's video we are going to start from the number 61 and complete it till the number 70. So let's get going. Here we have the first number of our video, and with that do remember that I'll be pronouncing the French pronunciations 2 times so that it would be clear for you. The first number is 61, which is called as 61. 61. Then we have 62, which is 62. 62. Then comes 63, which is 63. 63. And we have 64, which is 64. 64. Then comes 65, which is called as 65. 65. And here we have 66, which is called as 66. 66. And now we have 67, which is called as 67. 67. Then we have 68, which is pronounced as 68. 68. Then we have 69, which is called as 69. 69. And at last we have 70, which is called as 70. 70. So let us recall what all we have learned today. Here we have 61, which is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it, and we are going to cover from the number 71 till the number 80 in our next video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and with that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.